Hi, welcome to JennScents Aromaversity. This is Jennifer Pressimone. I am the lead instructor here at the Aromaversity, and I want to thank you for stopping by and give you a quick tour on how to navigate our website to find the information that you need to choose the program that's going to be right for you, the one that matches up to your goals, that matches up to everything that you want to accomplish with your certification or your niche training. That way, you can elevate your services, you can elevate your practice, and you can elevate your business. Here at JennScentsAromaversity.com, you're going to see our main page, and you can click right up here at the top and view our clinical aromatherapy program, professional or holistic, whichever one that you are interested in. You can also view the Certified Advanced Holistic Gut Specialist program and our business certification program. Now, right on this front page, you're going to be able to see the differences between our three programs. We are NAHA approved, National Association for Holistic Aromatherapy approved school. We have been since 2004. We continue to learn everything we can and implement that into the programs. I continuously update the classes. So the training classes that you're going to be taking are fresh, they're new, they're updated. They're not from 20 years ago because things have changed over the past 20 years with new research and new practices and new studies. It's always evolving, and my job and my goal is to give you the information that you need to keep you on top of the industry, to be ahead of the curve by the time you graduate and get your certificate. So we have level 1, 2, and 3 programs. Your level 1 holistic aromatherapy certification program is a 6-month program. If you just want to get your feet wet, you're not sure where you want to go with this, and you just want to understand and use essential oils more specifically to help yourself and to help your family, then we have this 6-month program. There is an option for you to complete it within 4 months if you would like to, but typically students complete this program within 6 months. And this is for beginners and those that just love aromatherapy and want to know more about it. Our level 2 professional aromatherapy certification program, typically students complete this within 1 year, within 12 months. And this is for the holistic minded professional. You want to integrate aromatherapy services. You want to learn more to help yourself, your family, and others, but you want to implement that and integrate that either into a new business that you're developing or an existing business or service that you offer. So you do have 7 classes. Total, there's 11 courses in the entire clinical aromatherapy certification program. Holistic aromatherapy is the first 2. Professional aromatherapy is the first 7. Clinical aromatherapy certification is our level 3 program. Typically, students complete this within 24 months. And this is for those who really want to excel in clinical aromatherapy. You want to implement that into a clinical setting, into a holistic health practitioner setting, health coaches, nurses, doctors, even wellness spas that want to offer more in-depth services. And like I said, this has 11 courses, and I created these programs to be a journey of learning. And I wanted you to have a well-rounded background and education in aromatherapy as a holistic health practitioner, as an entrepreneur, as an aromatherapy bar entrepreneur starting one of the first aromatherapy blending bars in the United States and traveling across the world to teach others how to do the same. I have a good background. I have a spa background as well as business. And so I'm able to mentor you. All of these programs include mentorship. So you get me not only teaching you in the training, and you're going to get the e-workbooks, the electronic workbooks that you're able to download and have all of this information at your fingertips, but you get me coaching you along the way. You're also going to have access to our student Facebook group, as well as our monthly student mastermind calls, where you're going to hop on a call with other students that are training, and we ask questions, and I give you additional training information, as well as having some mastermind time. How can we help each other? I want you to learn this community, because all of these people are learning at the same time you're going to be learning, and these are your colleagues. So I want to build collaboration and community throughout the Aromaversity and throughout your educational experience. Now, you'll find all this information and everything that you get right here on the first page. If you want to have a free class with me, here's a quick 15-minute class that I'm sharing the benefits of essential oils for mental clarity and emotional balance. That way you get familiar with who I am, what I do, and how I can help you. And to give you some value tips of what can you do right now before you take any class with me. I want to be able to give you this information so you get the wheels turning of what can you do with yours. Here is some testimonies. You'll find more up at the very top of this page. You can go under resources and you can view testimonies, blogs. You can see other frequently asked questions. You're also going to be able to get this free resource page where I have free resources for you and charts. And then you're also going to be able to view different bits of information about our programs. And on this page, with all of those resources that you're going to have access to here, you're also going to have this section called Aromatherapy or Aromaversity Resources. You're going to be able to see the student guide that I have created for you, just to walk you through the journey of what you can experience here. You're going to have a program comparison chart, and I'll show that to you. And then you're also going to be able to break it down by program. So if you're interested in the clinical program, you'll be able to view the curriculum. If you would like to complete it in 11 months, there is a way to do that, and I have created a fast track schedule. I know some of you that are in hospital settings and really working on aromatherapy programs within a facility. The goal is to get it up and running as fast as possible, but making sure that you're safe and effective and have the proper training. So we do have a fast track, and then the supply list that is going to tell you the supplies I'm going to recommend. You do not have to get them from me. If you need them, I do have some packages available for you. You just let me know. And then I have all that information for the professional, for the aromatherapy, and for the advanced holistic gut specialist program. Now, when you look at the comparison chart, you're going to be able to see all 11 classes and how I have them broken down. From introduction, we're going to go through body systems, anatomy, and physiology, a little bit different, more in depth than typical anatomy and physiology, because we are going to talk about how these systems work, what happens when they don't, what are the emotional counterpart to them, and what are the herbal remedies and aromatic remedies that can help you. And then you're going to get more entrenched into advanced. You're going to learn more of the science side, the chemistry side, as well as the art of blending and intuitive side of things. We are going to go into very specific details in the personal care, where we talk about using it specifically for everyone from adults to children to women, men, children, pets, and the environment, natural cleaning and the environment. You're going to learn very unique and comprehensive advanced training in the blending techniques, because you will really, you're gonna have so much fun. So much fun because it's just really gonna elaborate and give you some creative options on how to get results for even the most stubborn cases that you're working with. Gastrointestinal health, integumentary, so skincare, everything about skincare, emotional healing, and advanced pathophysiology. So these are the programs that you're going to have this information with. And then if you just want to start with some training courses, individual training courses, you can click right up here on this tab at the very top, and you'll see all of the niche trainings. These are all about 2 hours long, very in-depth information. You're going to get a workbook, you're going to get training. If you have questions, you send me your emails and ask me anything that you need so you can implement this and get the information that you're looking for to help yourself and to help your family and everybody else that you're working with. So this is a little bit of an overview just to help you navigate. Do I want to start with a certification program? Do I want to start with a particular individual class? And when you're ready, if you need some more information before you start, you can click right here on the contact tab and you can schedule a meet and greet with me right here. You just click on that. You're going to see my schedule, and that will allow us it'll allow you to schedule a 15-minute chat with me so we can meet each other. You can let me know your goals and what is it that you're looking for? How can I help you make this everything you need it to be to accomplish your goals? So I want to thank you so much for stopping by. I look forward to hearing from you. This page is also where you will send me your information and ask me any questions that you need, even before you schedule that meet and greet. And I look forward to meeting you and helping you reach your aromatherapy goals together.